Okay, I just got the new StrikeFire II red dot system from Vortex. I guess it's not new, it's been out for some time now, but new to me. And I am going to mount it to my AR, so let's do a quick unboxing and then I'll mount it. Alright, here we are, we got the box open. We got, here we go, the manual here. StrikeFire II red dot. Yeah, there we go. Okay, we got a mount. Yay. We got the red dot itself. There it is. It's pretty cool. It comes with caps on it. Looks like they're flip up caps. Let's take it out. Check it out. There we go. Yep. Flip caps, that's nice. I like it. So, there we go. Yep, flip style caps, good stuff. We got a wrench. I love it when these companies include the wrench. Alright, and we got a battery. That's how they say it in the South, battery. No, it's a battery. Anyway, looks like a half AA or, yeah. Anyway, cool. Well, I'm gonna get set up on my rifle. Alright, we're at the range. I've got my new red dot here, the Vortex StrikeFire II. It's mounted to my AR. This is a DPMS Oracle, in case you're wondering. Nothing special about it. I've got some Magpul furniture on it. Blah, blah, blah. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and re-zero the iron sights because I just remounted them and Loctited them because I was mounting the optic and I Loctited that as well. So, I'm gonna go ahead and zero the iron sights real quick and then I will zero the red dot. I'm gonna be using some American Eagle. It's 5.56. It's the XM193 variant, so safe for indoor use. And here we go. All right, let's do a quick overview of the Vortex StrikeFire II. So here's the red dot. It comes with these flip-up caps on it, which is pretty cool. It also came with this mount right here, which is pretty nice. It appears to co-witness with my iron sights, which is really nice. You got adjustment cap there, you got a battery compartment right there, and then on the top you got your elevation adjustment, and then on this side here is your power on and off, as well as brightness settings, and it's also a red and green dot setting. It's pretty cool. I didn't know that when I bought it, but it has both red and green dots, which I'll show you here in just a second. Okay, so if you look in there right now, you'll see that it is on the green dot, and if I push the adjustment settings here, you can kind of see it get brighter. Now what I've found, if you can see in there, the brighter it gets, there's a little ring around the inside, and that is kind of super obnoxious. But I would probably never run it that bright anyway, so I'm not too worried about it. Now, if I hold down the down setting, look at there, it's red. Isn't that cool? And same thing, you turn it up, and again you get that red ring in there. So Like I said, I probably won't run it that bright, but a little bit annoying. Anyway, so I just wanted to kind of give you an overview of it, and now I'm gonna zero it, see how I like it. Okay, we are locked and loaded. Let's do this. Okay, look there. That's a pretty good group, but it's about, let's see, 1, 2, 3 inches low and slightly to the right, maybe a ½ inch to the right. So, as usual, I'll make some adjustments and I'll come back to you with the results. Okay, well, looking at the target, yeah, well, here, I'll show you. I gotta make way more adjustments. I didn't do enough. But if you can see that, I moved it over like I needed to, maybe a little too far even, but nowhere near far enough up. So we'll try again. All right, made the adjustments. Here we go. Oh man, we are so close. About 1 inch up and 1 inch to the right, and we'll be in there. So make a few more quick adjustments and we'll fire 3 more rounds. Here we go. Alright, we're at 12 rounds. Let's see how we did. It only took 12 to zero the irons. Hopefully it only took 12 to zero the red dot. Let's find out. And wouldn't you know it, I went too freaking far. Gosh darn it. Well, I guess I'll have to bring it back down. But we are on the center line, so no more windage adjustments. I'm pretty happy with that. So I'm gonna bring it back down and we'll fire 3 more rounds. Gosh. Anyway, now I'm having fun. So let's do that real quick and then I'll get back to you. Okay, made the adjustments. Hopefully it's only gonna take 3 more rounds. If I go over 20 rounds, I sucked today. Haha. Tried to load an empty magazine. I do suck today. Fingers crossed. And bam! Look at that. Oop, bumped the camera. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I will take that. So, that was my 5th set. Now I'm going to fire a couple rounds at each of these squares here. I don't know, 1 or 2 of them is probably plenty, but I'm just going to verify 0. So, be back in a second. Here we go. We're going to verify 0. Follow along if you want to. Two more on a different target. different square, whatever, and away we go. All right, let's verify. Okay, so here you can see my 3 rounds that I fired to verify 0. These 2 are pretty much right where I would expect them to be. That one, I felt it as soon as I fired it. I was like, I pulled that one. So we're not gonna count that as bad 0. That's shooter error. Over here, we're a little high, but I mean, that's still a pretty good group. You know, well, you can't really call it a group because it's 2 rounds, but there were 2 rounds fired in succession at the same target. And they're pretty well placed. Like I said, a little high, but this is at 25 yards. I mean, it's gonna be different at 100, it's gonna be different at 200. Whatever. It's an initial 0 of a red dot. I'm not expecting super mega premium accuracy. This is not a Leopold, you know, 4x800 millimeter scope. That was a joke, by the way. Yeah, no, this is a $200 red dot that works well. It did its job. So far I like it. All right, we'll see y'all later.